Understanding neighborhood friends. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and relatable topic: neighborhood friends. This phrase is commonly used, but what does it really mean? Let's unravel this together and make it as clear as day. Whether you're new to English or just looking to deepen your understanding, you're in the right place. The term neighborhood friends refers to people who live in the same area or community as you do. These are individuals whom you might not know through work, school, or other activities, but simply because you share a common living space. The bond with neighborhood friends often revolves around the shared experiences of the local community, such as local events, parks, or simply the experience of living in the same area. Neighborhood friends hold a unique place in many people's hearts because these relationships are built on the casual, day-to-day interactions that happen when living close to each other. This might include waving hello, having brief chats, borrowing a cup of sugar, or looking after each other's homes while someone is away. These friendships often grow from the simple acts of kindness and community spirit, creating a sense of belonging and mutual support. In English-speaking cultures, neighborhood friends can play a significant role in one's social life. They represent the close-knit community aspect of life, where neighbors look out for one another and come together during good times and bad. The concept emphasizes the importance of community values and the informal support network that can exist within a neighborhood. Making neighborhood friends can seem daunting, but it's often about taking small steps. Start with a smile or a greeting when you see someone. Attending local events, joining neighborhood groups, or participating in community projects can also be great ways to meet your neighbors. Remember, the foundation of neighborhood friendships is often the willingness to engage and the mutual understanding of living in the same area. We hope this video has shed some light on the beautiful concept of neighborhood friends and why these relationships are so valuable. Living in a community where you know your neighbors can enrich your life in countless ways, offering support, friendship, and a sense of belonging. So, the next time you step outside, consider striking up a conversation with a neighbor. Who knows, it might be the beginning of a wonderful friendship. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.